Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure system basics won't block store recovery. Run Windows Update and install pending patches because the store relies on service compatibility. Sign into an administrator account and confirm the Microsoft account is present since authentication matters. Next, set clock, time zone, and region correctly and disable VPN or proxy. Network interception often triggers the server stumbled error. Once done, restart the PC to apply those changes and prepare for deeper fixes. Now you clear and reset components the store depends on. Launch WS Reset, EXE to flush cache entries. This often clears transient server errors. Then reset the store app from settings so its local data and permissions are rebuilt. After that, open Services and restart Windows Update, Bits, and the Microsoft Store install service. These coordinate downloads and installs. If a service won't start, set its startup type to automatic, apply. Then start it. This repairs broken dependency chains that cause stalls. Finish with targeted repairs if basic steps failed. Open PowerShell as admin and re-register the store package to restore missing app metadata and permissions. This repairs registration errors that produce server stumbled. If the problem persists, create a new Windows user to check for profile corruption, making sure you sign in with your Microsoft account there. Finally, run the network troubleshooter and reset TCP/IP with netch commands, because corrupted network stacks can block store connections. If still broken,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.